Hey, so this will be the first start. Is that backwards? God damn it! I had to forgive the backwards lettering. $85, 20-inch, 58 cc's. Confirmed the cc's by measuring the displacement today. I did it a couple days ago. Got it wrong. I had to remove the exhaust, the muffler, so I could get to the exhaust port to get it the correct diameter of the cylinder. But it does check out. It is 58 cc's. So I got the choke on. Put it in the on position. We'll see if it starts. Oh, I turned the choke off. There's no fuel. I just put fuel in it for the first time. Well, there she goes. It popped, so I'm going to put the choke in. Okay, so I was holding it down by the floor just to see if we can find this here. Just to check for the chain oiler was working. Let's bring this around. Where am I? So I don't know if I can piece these together. I was getting a lot of sparks along the chain coming out from the inside until that oiler started working. But the oiler does work, and I'll need to readjust the chain already. That's stretched out pretty quick. But other than that, looking forward to maybe a warmer day. I wrote 20 on it. There's no labeling on anything. But it does check out as a just over 58 cc's, closer to 59 cc engine. So that I'm very pleased with. My first calculations I did through the spark plug, and I measured across the top of the cylinder, which must be a slightly small diameter than the main body of the cylinder. So I pulled the exhaust, 4 screws, exhaust comes off, full access to the exhaust port on the engine. I pulled the bar and the cover here, the I'm out of breath, I'm getting old. I pulled this off so I could turn the crank by hand at the clutch. And once I got the cylinder all the way to the bottom of the stroke, I measured across, and I got somewhere around 45 millimeters, and the stroke was about 36, 38. I wrote it down somewhere, but I don't have it handy. And so pi times the radius, 22.5, I think I calculated, times the stroke, and comes up with 60, just under 60, 59, 60. So should be a strong enough engine if it keeps running right. Looking forward to using it. Enjoy.